How to change region in Riot Games account. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change region in Riot Games account. So, is it possible? Is it not possible? Let's find out in this video. The first step is to log in into your Riot Games account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically, alright? And then on this page, the next thing to do is to move to the top right corner and click on the My Account option that you can see there. In the drop down menu that will appear, click on Settings, and then you'll be taken to your account management page. Alright, so on this page, you can see different options by the left side, which includes Riot ID, personal information, Riot account signing, connected account, etc. So just scroll down until you can see personal information. So under the personal information page, we have email address, country or region, date of birth. And then for email address, once you click on it, you'll be able to change it, right? Okay, and but by clicking on the country or region box, you can see that you cannot change it directly. This is because you cannot automatically change your region yourself on Riot Games. The only way you can change your region on Riot Games is if you leave the country that you are currently to another country. So by the time you migrate to another country, your region and your country would be changed automatically on your app as well. All right, so that is just it. And then if you need further assistance, or if you feel you really need to change your country or your region due to personal reasons, the next option is to contact the customer support of Riot Games, and that is found at the top part of the screen, as you can see here. And then you can just go ahead and click on support, and you'll be taken to the support page. On this page, you would see different questions, frequently asked questions, and articles that have been written to answer those questions. And in this case, it's transfer region, right? So you can just click on it. You'll be taken to a page where you would see a list of instructions. Follow those instructions and prompts, and you would see if you would be able to change your region on Riot Games. But you cannot change your region directly on Riot Games. So this is it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.